Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday. I'm in the laundry room. You know, I'm always washing clothes, and I put the clothes in the dryer. And guys, isn't it always fun when you see stuff like that in the bottom of your washer? So I keep one of those little bitty banks, and whatever coins that get washed gets to go in here. All right, so I'm going to get those, and I'm going to work out in that garage. 1 hour today. We redid the trailer. So far I've took out like 2 loads of stuff and 1 load of trash and stuff like that. So I'll show you my progress. I don't have a whole lot to do in here. You know, yesterday I was at the Antiques on 231, and you know I had to go shopping. So I got a new basket. Look at that. Look how cool. And then, of course, Jackie had some red geraniums. Well, I had to have some of those. And she also has a few of those, the new coverlet runners. So if you're anywhere close by, guys, you need to grab them. But I got some squares, and I folded them up. So let me show you. I got those. And I'm like, that'd be cute sitting on that chair. And I'm trying to remember where I found her. Oh, I know. She was at a yard sale. Where I got a bunch of awesome handmade items. And I don't know if I've got anything different. I did put that little wagon down there. I think it's cute. I'm sure I'll find something to do with that. And I just kind of placed some of my other little finds. These were those little brooms. I know, and I'm trying to think. Oh, and I haven't showed you this, or did I? I found that at Goodwill not too long ago. It's perfect there. And of course, you know, when I'm walking around and I see things. Oh, wait, well, that doesn't go back because of that stool. And I made that. So, we're just piddling. Alrighty, I'm putting it off. So, I'm just gonna throw a hat on, throw some clothes on, because I don't want to leave the house today. It is so pretty outside. I finally, of course, got this, the deck straight and cleared off. Adding a few of my little treasures here and there. I was trying to think what I got. Oh, yeah. I put this the little city thing here. I don't know if that's going to stay there or not. And this chicken feeder, it has a candy cane cut out of it. But it's so pretty out here today. Oh, and guess what? I finally made an appointment to get my hair professionally cut instead of me whacking on it. So, let's get to the garage. What are we waiting on? Okay, so I wanted to show you the trailer. We definitely got it repacked. And I have to remember that this trailer is not going to hold all that heavy stuff that I'm wanting to put in here. We have a table that it's sitting there because it has been glued. This other one, we glued that, and we got to take the tents out. But I also want to show you something else. I got this little area weed-eated, or pulled weeds, whatever you want to call it. But guys, look at that lavender. Look how huge it is. And you know what? Do you see the silver part down in there? That's where I forgot to trim it. But I don't think it's ever been that big before. All right, so there's something else I'd like to show you. And it's around front. And yes, weeds. But I planted some of the tulip bulbs in that. I'm hoping that that's going to work. And oh, I just love it. Love it. Okay, so this is what I did. Now, I don't know what you think about it. There is still some more of that little fencing at the store. So I don't know if I should put a bird bath in the middle or what. So that's what I'm working on, except pulling weeds. But I need to do something with that. And I would love to have some hostas. I would like to try to see if the variegated monkey grass would work. I don't know, it could just be an extra salad for the deers. Alrighty, let's get to the garage. Okay, so can you tell any difference? Let me back up. Or maybe I can put that on. There we go. Alrighty, I have took a lot out. I know you probably can't tell, but I know there's just so much. I think I need several yard sales just to kind of get this cleaned up. I know. But I can walk from the garage door to the kitchen door. So that's a plus. I couldn't do that before. Alrighty. So, and guess what? I got two clean bins. I guess we could work on those. Alright, so let's see what kind of progress I can do. Todd definitely wants to take that scale to the 127. It is awesome. If you had a garage or a general store or something, it would be great. Alrighty, let me get off here. Let me see how much I can get pulled out, and I'll be back. Okay, so I definitely have a dent, which is good. I cleared some of that table off, and I got some extra bins. How nice is that? Alrighty, so I thought I'd let you see what the progress is. I'm trying to work on this area right now. If I can get it like I want it, then I could take this bed, move it up against, and then this table and move it down. So I hope you stay tuned. I've already been out here about an hour and a half, so I'm on a roll. I'm making good progress, so I don't want to stop. Okay guys, I have pulled and pulled. I have put several things in the trailer, and I've gotten to the wall. So I'm excited about that. So I figure if I could work on this area right in here, I could put the doors back because I have plans for the doors. The wood baby bed is going to the trailer. It has the bottom, and I thought, well, at the yard sale, I could just throw all the pillows and stuff like that in it. So, I know. I don't know. I think I've made more of a mess than anything. But I've already been out here 2.5 hours. I went in for about 30 minutes, and I had some lunch. But the weather is so nice out here. I hate to stop. So, I'm definitely making progress. And of course, I set my glasses down in the house. But I did find a bin for my Christmas that I wondered where they were. So I don't know how it got out here. And I have been combining some of the clear bins. I only purchased the clear bins so I can see what's in them. And I've gotten like, I don't know, 6. That's like finding gold. Alrighty. I hope you stay tuned. I'll show you the trailer, and I'll show you what I've gotten finished so far. So let me get back to work. Okay guys, 6 hours later, I got a lot in this trailer. A lot. All right, so let me go show you my results in the garage. I know. I also got stuff in my front seat of the truck. I got stuff in the back of the bed that needs to go away. Alrighty, so what do you think? Oops, I forgot. I have the radio on. Hold on just a second. Okay, radio's off. I got this all cleaned up. I know. We're definitely going to take that scale with us. Probably that runner. This chair. But I got the beds and those doors. And I got all this organized. Man. But I still have a mess. But I took a bunch to the trailer. Okay, guys. I know it's only been just a few minutes for you, but it has been quite a while for me. I worked longer than I expected, but one thing, I thought, oh, I could do this. Well, this would be perfect. Let me put this in that part of the trailer. Well, let me take this out of here and put that in the trailer. I think I'm good for the day. I don't think I have to come back out. I think I'm done. Alrighty, so I definitely have some stuff that I need to work on tomorrow. I did take a few things in, but it's more papers, which I see some more old papers. I wanted to do a project with it. And the nice thing about it is, guys, I found these. And I'll put signs in these that will go on the tables. Okay. Until the next video, my friends, I'll see you then.